welcome to Plan Saving Essex. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So, I've got this blue on my finger for. So I have got a Happy Mail video to share with you today. Let's just crack straight on and get into all of these goodies that I've got here. So go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax, and let me show you what I've picked up recently. So first things first is my giveaway prize from, and I'm going to butcher this, is it Budget? I'm so sorry to the owner for butchering that name. But anyway, I entered a giveaway on Instagram of hers and I won. I think there was two of us that won anyway. But yes, so I got to pick 3 trackers from her shop, and then she threw in a bunch of freebies as well. So this is from Monique. Is it Monique? Monique. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's either Monique. It's not Monica. It's Monique. Plan Saving Essex, congratulations on your win. Thank you for your support. I hope you like your items. I've got these cute little stickers which I'm gonna give to the girls because they just love them. And this is, I'll show you what I picked up. Or what I chose. So the first one I chose was this Pop It and Save, and this saves £125. And I just thought I was getting the savings change, but she threw in the matching envelope as well, which is so kind of her to do. So yeah, this is a mixture between 10 5s, 2s and 1s, saves £125, and yeah, absolutely love the look of that. And then I picked the jumping jelly beans. You roll your coloured dice, save the predetermined amount, so you so I write in obviously what amount for each colour and colour in your jelly bean to that colour. And I got a dice with that one. Oh yeah, I've got 2 other dices, so one dice must be for the Pop It and Save. Yeah, so I've got a dice for that one as well. And again, look how cute that envelope is. Beautiful. And then I got this blackout bingo, and this looks like a lot of fun. So it says roll 2 dice and save the amount where the 2 dice intersect. Keep on rolling and saving until you have reached blackout bingo. Your total save will be £200. Oh, this could actually be why I have 2 dice. So there's me thinking, because it was for that one. It could be. Anyhow, so yeah, so you roll 2 dice. So you roll 2 dice, so 6 and 3, which means I'd save 4. So yeah, that is really really fun one to play. And look at that envelope again, absolutely stunning, beautiful quality. This little bag for the dice to go in is absolutely stunning, and it's pink, like 100% me. And then, as I say, she threw in some freebies as well. So I've got this one saying you de bomb, and it's a mixture of 10s and 5s, and it saves £90. Straighten your crown, sis, and you can pick whatever amount each crown is, which total, whatever total you want that to be. And then you've got save your number, any zeros equal a 10. So I think that would be really fun to do as well. So yeah, that was my little giveaway win. And as I say, yeah, quality is really beautiful, and yeah, looking forward to putting those into my setup. This is a shop I've been eyeing up for quite a while now. This is Polkadot Budget. So I saw on her Instagram about she wanted to hit 50 sales. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to help a girl out and I'm going to get her to that 50 sales. So I did. So it says, thank you for your order. You were my 50th sale. Enjoy your freebie, Stacey. So this is the freebie that comes with all orders, and it saves £50, and it's like £5, which is fantastic for within my green binder where I save for my sinking funds there. This was the freebie, and it's a scratch it and see what will it be. I think I would like to think this wouldn't go over £20. Honestly, I don't know. If I'm being honest with you, I do get a little bit scared of scratch offs. I'm not gonna lie, I do get a little bit scared. But what I wanted and seen on her shop were these money placeholders. So they come in sets of 3. So I've got 3 £50 and 3 £100, and yeah, I really love them. Again, great quality. I'm looking forward to using these within my binders, and yeah, so that is my little purchase from Polkadot Budget. Now we're going to go into some planner stuff, and Planner Face is a shop that I haven't shopped from in a while. It must be a good couple of years, and she was having her anniversary sale, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna place a little order, because I can't be bothered to print and cut my own kits anymore. If I'm being honest with you, and or my own stickers. So I just sort of thought, let's stock up on some kits and everything. So I'll show you the format of one, and then I'll just go through just showing you what ones I've got. So this one, I mean, is perfect for autumn, so I'm sort of trying to get a little bit ahead. These are the sort of extra freebies that you get within the kits. I picked up the mini kit, so you get your decorative boxes, your Monday through Sunday, and some checklist boxes, your date covers, functional boxes, and another decorative box with a habit tracker, and then you get glitter headers, more functional boxes, and some washi at the bottom there. So it's just a 3-page kit. So then you get sort of the weekend banner and icons page, and then extras of the decorative boxes of the fashion girls. So that is the layout of them. This one's called Main Street. I think this is quite an old, say old, but it's not a new artwork out, I don't think. No, I don't think it is. I don't think it's a new artwork out. So also I picked up was Sunkiss, and I just loved the look of this dog. He was just so adorable. So yeah, so I picked up that one as well. A little bit of a different layout with this one, actually. I think this must be an older format. So yeah, so that's Sunkiss, and you've got your extra boxes there. And then I got Off Duty. So this is the same format as the first kit, and we've got the extra boxes and the extra sheet. And I just loved the colour palette of this one. Tried to kind of go for, I mean, that one's particularly summery, but I did try and go for ones that were just, I could sort of use any time, you know, because I do like to, on the weekly, change out my style of how I lay my weeks out. But all the extras there. This one is called Dream Plan Do. Again, love the colour palette, like the pinks and the purples. It's just so pretty, girly, me, all over. So looking forward to planning with that one. Trying to get them all back in. I still haven't found my album yet. It's gone astray. No clue where it's gone. So I'm having to keep them in these at the minute until I get round to buying myself a new album. There's the extras there. This is called Spring Calf. Even though it's like for spring, I kind of feel like this could be used sort of any time. Again, beautiful colour palette with the this muted green. It's just so pretty, and I love this washi here. And I actually watch Planner Face's vlogs on her YouTube. So yeah, I do enjoy her vlogs. And then the last one I've got here was Sunny Days, and very bright, very vibrant, perfect to be planning for during the 6 weeks holidays. They were the kits. I primarily picked up kits from her, and then the freebie, oh sorry, there's one in here as well, sorry, I missed. Sorry, I did pick up this one as well. This was called Game On. And not that I'm much of a gamer, but again, I was sort of looking and thinking, you know, what is kind of just like you can use it any time. You don't have to use it for a specific week or anything like that. And I just, again, just love the color palette. I'm very, when I'm picking kits or picking anything like that, when I'm picking kits or stickers, it's all to do with the color palette for me. I get very drawn by the color palette. And then these were the freebies. So this was the freebie that everyone got, super cute. I love this highlight of the week. And then I got a journaling kit as well. So that is really pretty, just like the blue with the neutral, say seaside, absolutely stunning. There. So that is everything from Planner Face. Up next, I made my very first purchase with, I'm very late to the game with this shop, but with the Rocking Witch. And I saw this on Girl Please Budget. Oh, I'm gonna keep that. From Girl Please Budget, I saw this and I thought, I need that. I 100% need that game. Like, it looks so much fun. So this is, oh wow. So this is the roll and match. Let me just sort this out a second. So yeah, this is roll and match, and I'm super excited for this. So, so hi Kirsty, thank you so much for your order. I hope you like everything. If you can please leave a review on my shop, tag me on your social media, as this helps grow my shop. And let's just say that's just from the Rocking Witch. And then we've got Summer Loving, Save 45. Again, fantastic to go in one of my envelopes when I'm for saving for my sinking funds. Just her social media ones there, and some cute stickers which the girls will have. So yeah, roll and match. And I got the full shebang. Got the matching envelope as well. I thought, well, you know, while I was going on this spendy spree, I thought, why the hell not? And yeah, so you pick one of the 2 colours that are on the dice, roll 3 times, and try to get 3 of the same colour in a row. As you roll, fill in the chart with your colour. If you match 3 in a row of one colour, you save 5. If you end up with a mix, you save 10. And again, I think this would be another great one for spending, because it's either going to be 5 or 10. So you know, I like to know where I'm going to be with my money. But you also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 30. No, you don't. You get 24. I was about to say 36, but you don't. You get 24. So, I mean, yeah, 24 weeks. Gee, it's a good amount that this could end up being. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. And also Pink and Purple, again, so girly, so me. And yeah, I've been heavily influenced by a lot of people on social media to make these purchases. I'm not gonna lie. I am waiting on another order, but I'm going to show you that when I do get it. I just wanted to get these up, and this video up, and these things away. Anyway, so yeah, sorry, that is what I picked up from the Rocking Witch. It's my very first order, but definitely not my last. So looking forward to making some future purchases with her. And then lastly, I have this cute little order from, I think is it JJ Budgets? JJ Budgets UK. And let's have a little look see. Oh yes, I couldn't remember this has literally turned up today. So it says, thank you so much for your order and for supporting my small business. I hope you love your order as much as I loved making it. I hope you like the savings changes. Thank you for your order. Love, Jenny. So again, got a cute little lilac or purple flower sticker. The girls are getting a few stickers today, aren't they? And then we've got a little freebie here of £100, and each triangle is £5. Again, fantastic for what I need it for. And then I picked up these. So I picked up a heads or tails of the panda, which completely caught my eye. This is super cute. I love this. And when I finish my other heads or tails, I feel this is going to go in its place for another round of it. And beautiful, beautiful quality. Very thick, very beautiful, and I just love that so much. And then I picked up this one of the flowers, and this says £200, and I think my thinking was potentially for saving for Harriet's residential trip, because I've done the fruity one now a couple of times and I kind of want to change it up a little bit. So even though I'm only saving 150 each time, to save 200 and obviously just knock off another £200 off the bill is fantastic anyway. So yeah, so I think I'm going to use that in its place, and it's 5 and 10s, and yeah, I'm going to really enjoy colouring that one in. So that is from JJ Budget's UK. There we go, guys. That is my happy mail for today. You got a little bit of everything. You got some cash stubby stuff. You got some planner stuff as well. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you give it a big thumbs up, so that means the absolute world to me when you do. If you got to the end of the video, if you could just leave a comment just saying hi, because I do love it when you do that as well. And I always reply to my messages. I may be a bit day or two late in replying, but I do always reply to your messages, and I read every single one, so I reply and like and love them and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these goodies away now. I'm going to let you get on with your day. So thank you so much. I hope you had a great day and a great week as always, and I shall see you all soon. Bye bye.